7 delicious cooking facts. 1. Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction that occurs when cooking certain foods at high temperatures. It is responsible for the browning and delicious flavors in roasted meats, baked goods, and toasted bread. The reaction happens between amino acids and reducing sugars and creates a complex array of flavors and aromas. 2. Salt enhances flavors. Salt is a versatile ingredient that not only adds its own taste, but also enhances the flavors of other ingredients. It works by suppressing bitterness and enhancing sweetness, making dishes more balanced and flavorful. When used in moderation, salt can elevate the taste of various dishes, from savory to sweet. 3. Slow cooking tenderizes meat. Slow cooking methods such as braising or stewing can transform tough cuts of meat into tender, melt-in-your-mouth delicacies. The low and slow cooking process breaks down the collagen in the meat, converting it into gelatin, which gives the dish a rich, velvety texture. 4. Fat carries flavor. Fats, such as butter, oils, and animal fats, play a crucial role in carrying and enhancing flavors in cooking. They help to dissolve and distribute fat-soluble flavors and aromatic compounds, making dishes more delicious and satisfying. However, it's important to use fats in moderation for a healthy balance. 5. Fresh herbs add vibrancy. Adding fresh herbs to dishes can elevate their flavors and bring a vibrant touch to your cooking. Herbs like basil, cilantro, rosemary, and mint impart unique aromas and tastes that can brighten up salads, sauces, marinades, and various culinary creations. Experimenting with different herbs can add a refreshing twist to your favorite recipes. 6. Resting meat improves tenderness. Resting meat after cooking allows the juices to redistribute and the muscle fibers to relax, resulting in a more tender and succulent texture. When you slice into meat immediately after cooking, the juices may escape, leaving the meat drier. Allowing it to rest for a few minutes before serving helps retain the moisture and enhances the overall eating experience. 7. The power of umami. Umami is often referred to as the fifth basic taste, alongside sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. It is a savory, meaty, and deeply satisfying flavor found in foods like mushrooms, aged cheeses, tomatoes, soy sauce, and fermented products. Incorporating umami-rich ingredients in your cooking can enhance the overall taste and make dishes more satisfying.